Morning. So today I'm going to swim at the falls. So it's Angel's Pool. Devil's Pool is closed because there's so much water in the river. But it's gonna be so much fun, and let's see how that goes. So I joined the breakfast trip, which I think you get breakfast and then you go swimming at the falls, which is gonna be so awesome. I'm so excited. So we're going to an island called Livingstone Island using one of these boats, I'm not sure which one. And there we'll go swim in Angel's Pool and also have some breakfast and a tour of the island. It's gonna be amazing. Sorry? The front? Oh yeah.
Looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance, 'cause one day we'll be looking
Welcome to Livingstone Island. This is so awesome. Hello with the view. And that's the view. And it's quite good, so they know what they're doing. Hi. So there's a loo and the changing room. So you lock your bags and everything. Just carry what you need for pictures. And oh Jesus. So turns out the guard and one of the guides usually stay on the island overnight, and there are elephants and hippos.
So here you wait for your chef, eh?
Angel's Pool is managed by a private company that is leased to by the government, and obviously as much as they try to be careful, there are risks because you're swimming at the edge of a waterfall in nature, and so the risk is on you, and you have to actually sign something that says that. That's Devil's Pool, but today we're doing Angel's Pool because as you can see there's so much water. It's not safe to go there, but they say it's gonna be open in about 3 weeks until probably January. So if you're there, devil, you can come to Zambia then. And the beautiful rainbows. Oh, so awesome. We're all walking in mud. During the dry season, that side of the fall is
very slippery. So
yeah.
Be there, don't move away from there.
Okay.
It's very slippery.
Alright. So that side of the fall dries in October during the dry season, like completely dry. So yeah, if you come there you won't be able to see that. But the falls on the other side are all season, where the devil's pool is at. And the other side is Zimbabwe. So those people are in Zimbabwe. We are in Zambia. As a safety precaution, every time you move towards the edge, you'll have a guide holding your hand, and because they know where to step, they take pictures of you, so you get nice Instagram pictures without any other things. You can see them on my Instagram up there.
So pure, I had no fear, and those were the years that I hold so dear, and it felt so right
So after all the fun, you sit down for some breakfast. It looks really yummy. Like the travel vlog as well. Time to head back, get the life vest, get on the boat, and the adventure is done.
Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever.
While this looks so smooth, it's actually a river, and you know, one of the characteristics of rivers is that they have a lot of stones, and so is this one, and so the boat has to move in zigzag in so many places or take really long rounds or corners just to avoid the rocks.
We will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together.
That's the end of the trip to Angels Pool and Livingstone Island. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. It was so amazing, so definitely recommend.